Okay, we're one more of these. So let's take a look at this object that we have here. We've got a height of 3, a depth of 3, and a width of 3. And then, of course, we've got some cut-ins on the top, but we have already figured out that we know how to handle those. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit so that we can see everything at once. Can I move this? There we go. Okay, so I'm kind of tired of red. Green is my favorite color, so we're going to go to that. We're going to come down to the bottom here just so we've got lots of space. And we're going to start here, and we're going to go over 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's doing this line right here because I'm starting in this corner. And then I'm going to come back this way and go, we're going to undo that, and we're going to try one more time, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. That is really, really a terrible line. So basically, I'm just demonstrating that this is really hard to do with a mouse. So 3 this way, 3 that way. And our height for the first one here is just 1. So we're going to come up and we're going to go 1. Now this one that comes up, that's going to go over the 3. So let's put that line in. 1, 2, 3. And it has a height of 1 here as well. That one height level goes back 2. So let's go back 2. Then it comes down 2, but then we've got this, there's like this whole like hidden area here. So let's try to make that work. So we're going to come back 1 here. So that's this line right here. You can do this in any order you want. It's just maybe a little bit easier if you get a lot of the height lines in. So I'm just trying to get to as many of those as I can. So I know I'm going to have this one coming up 2. And if I was writing this on a piece of paper with a ruler, it would be so much better. So that goes up 2. This goes up 3 because this is my back line here and then this line right here. So they're going to be connected by 2 here. And then this back line goes back across the 3. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, and it comes out 1. Now, I find sometimes when I look at this, I'm like, okay, well, which line do I go to? What's my next one? So you can always just go to another line to make it make sense for you because you know that this makes sense that this is the one, and then you're going to go down 2 and then back across. That gives us this face right here. And then we can draw this line over to here. So that makes sense. And then this, we know is going to go up 2. So 1, 2. And now we can see where this line is supposed to connect. But sometimes it's a little bit hard to tell. It's easy to get lost on this dot paper. So then we're going to come back 2 here. So that's coming back these 2 and then come to meet here. Now this almost looks complete, except we don't have this line here. Now that line, we're going to have some of it hidden, but it's right here, and it's going to come across to there. And then the rest of it's hidden in behind. So this is going to be our end result here. And this, let me see. I'm going to use this yellow. This line right here is not necessary. However, it would not be wrong to have it in there as well. So I think we've done enough of these as practice that you guys should now be experts. Please make sure you're drawing these. If you don't like drawing them here, you can draw them on the paper and then upload your paper picture.